been through a lot of, you know, ups and downs, losing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. I did this sleek top knot kind of bun. I absolutely love how this turned out, you guys, because it is looking so amazing and so gorgeous. I just like how it looks like when you want to look a bit smart, and you know what I'm saying, like if you want to achieve this bun for a date night, you know, when you want to look kind of, you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead and achieve this bun in no time. Like all you need to do is make sure that you slick your hair up when you still have time, like at least let your hair air dry. If you know that you've got an occasion like the day after, like tomorrow, you might need to slick your hair down like at night before and then let it air dry during the night. Or if you prefer, like I did in this video, I used a blow dryer just to speed up the process because, you know, I don't have time to do all that, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this tutorial.
Oh na na na, young brother. Alright, oh na na na, let's go. Come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. Yeah, come make we go. Whoa, come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh my lady, it's me and you together. Say we go last forever in any kind of weather. The way you dance, they make me they go low. Say your moves, they make me go loco, eh? Go loco, aye. Say I don't mind what you do, you'll always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go, yeah. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Take my hands and come with me, baby girl. It's me and you tonight, Mogwe. I will never let you go, so far away. Oh yeah, come and chop my money, chop my money. Oh yeah, come and be my honey, my honey. Where you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go, yeah. Come make we go, whoa. Come make we go. I'm ready now. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I want to pass it. Oh na 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 moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. The way you moving that body, it make me want to throw it, baby. Come make me go.
that but you know go to reach there. Yeah, you know say me, I know they ever gonna carry you play.
Yeah, so I was thinking, guys, you know, I know that one of you guys did leave a comment that I should do a hair tutorial of one of the YouTubers right here, like I tried whoever's tutorial. So I wanted you guys to tell me, who do you think I should try their hair tutorial? Yeah, so leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. I'm also going to post on my community tab, so if you want to leave your comment there and let me know your suggestions, like who do you think I should try their hair tutorial. Okay, any person really, I'll see if I can do it. But I just wanted to come here to say I am so grateful to have you guys as a member of the Nashe family. Like, it is a big family right now. I am so grateful. If you guys didn't know, if you don't come from Zimbabwe, the name Nashe means with God. So I absolutely am so grateful to God for being where I am right now with my YouTube channel. So if you guys know that I've been on YouTube for over like 4 years now, like I wasn't that serious for the past like 2-3 years. Only last year that's when I started to be consistent, and that's when I actually saw my channel grow from, you know, from 2,500 to 5,000 to 10,000. It just started growing like tremendously, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. Your support is so appreciated. So I just wanted to show you something that is so exciting, you guys. So it's like you need to see this. Just hold on, okay? I'll be right back. You have to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. Like, okay, you just click the subscribe button because you have to be a member of the Nashe family, okay? Please, like seriously, we are full of love here, you know. Okay, anywho, let's get going. Okay, I received something in the mail for exactly a week, absolutely sealed. I'll show you all the corners. Sealed. Okay, there we go. Sealed and sealed. It's like my kids were so curious. They're like, "Mommy, open it." I was like, "No, I'm not opening it. It's one of the hair from the hair companies. I'm not gonna open it yet." Okay, just leave it. But they were curious. They just wanted to know what I had in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox. I am excited because I know what it is, guys, already. Okay, this is what's in there. Oh my god, guys, you see what it is there? Oh my god, it's just a moment. I knew what it was, but I was just like, I want to open it and share the moment with you guys. Like seriously, let me just finish opening it, you know. I'm sure you guys already guessed what it is and what's in there. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? Oh, there's a letter. Okay, it says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." I'm like, yeah. We know that the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit mark. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Thank you, and I know that. Thank you, guys. A million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. Oh, and we are rooting for you. Yes, I had to do this on my natural hair tutorial because that's what brought this award to the family. Okay, so let's open it. Oh. Wow, I'm sorry guys, We did it, guys. We did this, okay? Hope you guys can see it. So emotional right now, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be holding this award right now. It's been a tough journey. It's been a very tough journey, but I am so grateful to each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. It is, you know, that moment where you realize that, oh my god, I've done something, you know, all the hard work, the time that I dedicate to this channel. I have a job besides YouTube. I am a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a sister. Besides all that, you guys, I still tried to achieve something. Let's have a hug. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I just feel like this is such an achievement for me, because my life it's not been easy, okay? I am that person who puts up with a lot in life, who has put up with a lot in life, okay? I've been through a lot of, you know, ups and downs, losing sorry guys, losing important people in my family, so it's not been easy. So for me to achieve this award means a whole lot to me. Like, I actually now accept that, you know, there are people who actually support me out there, because you know how it is when you're growing up. You always feel like no one supports you, or you're not good enough, or you know, certain things are meant for certain kind of people, and you feel like I don't know, I've always been someone who's always been so negative about myself, okay? Since growing up, I was just like I just felt like I was one of those people who was so unlucky, like with everything. Like, I felt like I was one of those people, like bad luck. I felt like bad luck follows me like every time or everywhere I go. And it came to a point that I did accept that, you know, I accepted that, okay, this is life, this is me. I'm not, you know, this is what is meant to be. Like, this is for me. I accepted it, and I manifested more and more of bad luck upon myself. Yeah, so things kept happening, and I felt like it's me who manifested all those. But I had to grab hold of my own life, and I was like, you know what, I have children. God has blessed me with 3 beautiful kids, and I live here in England, first world country. Most people would love to be where I am right now, would love to have the life that I have right now, would love to have the things that I have like right now, where would love to have kids that I have right now. So why can't I just appreciate what I have and start loving myself, and start thinking positive about myself, and, you know, be grateful for everything that I have, and push myself to do better, okay? So that's exactly what happened. It was like a huge turnaround to myself, because I've always thought, you know, when I used to watch like YouTubers, I'll be like, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I don't think I will get to 100k. Wow. I never thought I would be one of those girls, like just me, a regular girl who grew up in Zimbabwe. My English is broken. If you're from Zimbabwe, Shonglish, like, you know, English is not my first language, but who would have known that today I'll be representing my country, Zimbabwe, you know. This is to all of you guys who have subscribed to the Nashe family, and to my family, and to my, you know, my husband, for the amazing support, and to my friends. I've got lovely friends, all my cousins, all my family. They've been so supportive. So this is to you guys. Like, we've done it to the Nashe family. Thank you so much, guys. Let's have a drink, okay? So good. Yeah, so good. Hopefully very soon we'll be reaching 250,000. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.